93% of customers read online reviews before buying a product. They spend maximum time to find the best and the most honest review about that product. It's just they don't know how to get the detailed info about that product at a particular place. Hi, my name is Devisri Prasad. If you are looking for the best and the most honest review video, then you are at the right place. I am an affiliate marketer. I have been into online marketing since 1 year. You can find me on Instagram by the name The Marketing DPS. I do these review videos so that you can get the best deals in the upcoming softwares and courses. During this video, I am going to give you a quick walkthrough and demo of exactly what this does and how this works basically in a nutshell. Make sure you stay until the end of this video. So let's get started. Hey, wow, it's already August 13th and two big things are happening today. First, EZLocal goes live at exactly 11 AM Eastern Time or NY with a sassy early bird discount. If you are looking for a way to absolutely cross local marketing, trust me, this is for you. The second big thing happening is the pre-launch webinar for EZLocal hosted by Neil Lapierre and his team. It starts exactly 1 hour before the launch at 10 AM Eastern Time or NY. So here I am inside my special bonus page where you can see this is the crazy bonus bundle for EZLocal. So you can win a free copy of EZLocal and much more. This is a special workshop, so you can watch how to offer a complete set and forget high ticket service to local businesses. So here is my honest EZLocal review, so which goes live the 13th of August at 11 AM EST, but you can come to their sales page. So the sales page looks something like this, where you can register for a free webinar which goes live 1 hour before the launch, which is 10 AM Eastern Time. So I'm here inside the sales page of EZLocal, where you can come and see the live demo of this video. If you'll come below and you can see the demo of EZLocals over here, and here you can register for a free live training webinar and win a free copy of EZLocal on August 13th 10 AM Eastern Time or NY. So this timer, before the timer hits 0, you need to come and register, because this webinar will help you see the power of EZLocal and learn the best ways to earn a solid income with it. Webinars are so much better than sales page demos or online reviews. You can register for this call right now by clicking this link, and make sure you provide your best email address so you don't miss this. Be sure to use your best email address so that you can get an additional reminder minutes before the start of this webinar. Also, before you join, make a commitment. Commit to implementing what you learned from Neil and his team. If you do this, I'm sure you will see massive results. The difference between those who get what they want and those who don't is the action that they take. Wouldn't you agree? So go ahead and take action right now. You can sign up for this webinar when you come to their sales page by clicking any of my link from my bonus page. It will take you to their sales page and you can register for this free webinar exclusively. If you see a webinar full notification when you try to register, it just means that you were late and seats are full. Whatever you do, don't miss this call and don't be late. It goes live at 10 AM Eastern Time or NY. So you can sign up here. So let me show you what are the bonuses that I am offering for this EZLocal. So once you click the link below the description of this YouTube video, it will take you to this page, which is my crazy bonus page, where you can find all my custom bonuses which you will not find anywhere else. So be sure to register here so that if you want to get in touch with me and get all the updates of new softwares that are launching every day, and I will notify you. So be sure to get in touch with me. If you click any of this link or in this blue button, it will take you to their sales page where you can register for this free webinar exclusively today at 10 AM Eastern Time. So here is this is me, Devisri Prasad. So I make review videos of new products every day so that you don't so that you can take the best decision to access it just by going through my review. And this special launch offer price and bonuses will expire very soon before the timer counts hits zero, so be sure to check out before this timer goes zero and enjoy all your custom bonuses that has been provided to you. So let us see what is EZLocal all about. EZLocal is the most complete appointment scheduling software for agencies and local marketers of every level. The best part is that it has been battle tested and clients are so happy to pay $700 to implement it for them, and it requires no special knowledge or copywriting or developer skills, and only takes a few minutes to get up and running. The commercial license is included, so your clients can offer appointment scheduling services to local businesses and make easy money online. Simply define your services and providers, display their availability, and you will have clients both old and new making bookings 24/7. You can create a personalized booking page for any service-based business in just minutes. Allow clients to book online 24/7. Synchronize available payments with the calendars of your employees. Send automated notification to clients and staff members. Provide easy online access to the schedule from all types of devices. Reduce the number of no-show appointments. Make all clients' information easy accessible. So these are the 3 steps which you are going to learn how you are going to use this EZLocal for your business to generate income. So this is the step that is going to be explained in the webinar itself only. So you will get all the doubts clear. So be sure to register for the webinar at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time before it goes away. So these are the 3 steps you will learn. Step 1, you have to set. So simply set, create a booking or appointment with just 3 clicks. Step 2, you have to share your that booking page URL on any platform, be it social platform like website, email, for others to book your services from anywhere in the world. Step 3, you have to grow your business with tons of qualified leads, sales and profits. So here is the prices and upsells of this EZLocal. You can see the front end price, which is one time, is starting from $37. The front end commercial, which is starting from $47, and they have some upsells. You can come and see in my bonus page, whose link I'll be providing in the description below. And within some time I will show you what are the bonuses that I'm offering, so you can take all the advantages of my custom bonuses, which you will not find anywhere else. Those bonuses are not PLRs. So those are my custom bonuses which I will provide it to you for free once you buy this from my link. So these are the prices and upsells. You can see these are the upsells: OTO1, OTO2, OTO3 agency model, which is completely for $297. It is yearly. And OTO4, OTO5, these are some bonuses. You can see, come and see in details what are the things that you are going to get in all the upsells. So I've explained everything over my bonus page. You can come and see over here. So some key benefits you may be interested in getting from EZLocal. You can contactless booking system with QR codes, multi-location booking system, notifications via SMS or email, client and admin portal, accept payments through a range of payment processors like PayPal, Stripe and much more, staff and client portal, video meeting, virtual appointment scheduling, staff scheduling and management, supports multi-currency, Facebook and Instagram booking, membership, sale packages and plans to users, fully hosted by us, no website required, unlimited traffic, commercial license included, and all of this is covered by a no question 30-day money back guarantee. So you can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Now the main part, what are the bonuses that you are going to get from me? Let us see. When you get EZLocal now, and you can get all this my custom bonuses absolutely for free in your membership area. So once you buy, you are going to get access. How you are going to get access, I will tell you in just some minutes. So let us see what are the bonuses that I am providing. Bonus number 1, whose value is $427. So you are going to get ultimate online marketing toolkit, 150 plus free resources absolutely for free. In the bonus 2, you are going to get tips and tricks for business owners, whose value is $46. Bonus 3, whose value is $344. In bonus 3, you are going to get cheat sheet for acquiring high paying clients. In bonus 4, whose value is $267, you are going to get 200 plus proven headline formulas to skyrocket your conversions. In bonus 5, whose value is $197, you are going to get the best ads from the world's best marketers. Similarly, in bonus 6, you are going to get cheat sheet for perfect ad copy. In bonus 7, you are going to get 390 plus power words to transform your marketing starting today. In bonus 8, you are going to get from me how to build a perfect landing page, which is very essential to run any business online. In bonus number 9, you are going to get 5 to 6 revenue figures personal branding expert guide. In bonus 10, and this is my final bonus whose value is $197, you are going to get free 69 copywriting resources on web. So these are absolutely for free, you are going to get, and you can access this once you buy this. You are going to access it in your bonus inside your JVZoo or Warrior Plus. In whatever you are buying, you are going to get it instantly access there. Access affiliate bonus and access bonus video, and it will be similar to this, and you can easily access all my bonuses right over your JVZoo or Warrior Plus. So thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses to your success. So you can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Any of my red button or blue button or green button on my bonus page will take you to their sales page, where you can just register for a free live training webinar and win a free copy of EZLocal on August 13th 10 AM, which is today Eastern time. And also they will provide you exclusive bonus for webinar attendees. If you are just attending the webinar, also you are going to get some exclusive bonuses, so you have nothing to lose. This is attraction marketing ebook which they are going to provide, which is attraction marketing is the buzzword that is out there, commonly heard of most internet marketers. But what is it exactly and how can it help you grow your business? So you will know about this in details in the live webinar. And here you can come and comment about this webinar, and if you are going to attend, you can comment and read others comment. You can see Roy Reville just said one day before that I would love to introduce this new product to my clients. I feel they will love it, especially when I offer them a free account. I will definitely try EZLocal for my digital marketing business. So you can also be a part of this and try this EZLocal and offer it to your clients as well. So, and this is not all. So what are the more bonuses that you are going to get from the vendor itself? You can see. So content repurpose guide, bonus 2 new keyword swarm, bonus 3 copywriting automator, bonus 4 blogging paycheck, bonus 5 you can rank your videos. So these are some more bonuses that you are going to get from the vendor when you buy this EZLocal. But before that, I would recommend you to come and register yourself for this live training webinar and get a chance to win the free copy of EZLocal on August 13, 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. So I'll provide this bonus page in the description below of this YouTube video. So be sure to come and read. When you click any of this link, it will take you to this webinar page, and once you buy this, you will get all my custom bonuses absolutely for free. And if there is any issues to access all these custom bonuses, then I'll provide my Instagram ID below the description of this YouTube video. Once you buy this product, then only contact me on Instagram with a screenshot so that I can verify that you have purchased, and then I can provide all my custom bonuses to you. So let us meet there. So be sure to check out this product and all my custom bonuses. If you are interested in learning more about this product, then be sure to check out the first link in the description of my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching my complete honest review video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos helping you in finding the most helpful review videos and much more. I will speak to you in the next video. All the best. Take care. Bye.